Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix DoorDash background check not working. So let's get started. So there are a few solutions that you can try. So the first one is to just wait a little while, because background checks do take a few days, and also sometimes they can take up to a couple of weeks. So it's always best to wait a little while. Next up, make sure to check your email, because if you have any missing documents or issues with your background check, they will give you an email. Next up, you can log in into the checker portal. So just go to the checker candidate portal and then use the email you signed up with to track the progress of your background check. Also, double check that your info that you have sent is absolutely correct, as even a small mistake of your name, birth date or the SSN number can delay the process. Also, make sure that you have the documents to verify your identity. If none of these work, make sure to contact DoorDash support. Just go to the Dasher app, under there go to help and then account, and you'll be able to send a request. You can also try reaching out to Checker. If your background check is stuck, contact Checker directly at Checker support. Also know that if your background check was rejected due to an error, you can always dispute it through Checker. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.